first spindle is just drying from primer. Oh, that was a pain. So here it is. So to take the actual bearing out, what you guys need to do is, so this is like this, set up like this. You just put the screws back in. You're gonna destroy them, but that was the only way to do it. You're gonna tighten them up, not all the way through, just a little bit, so that they attach actually to the piece, and you just hammer the hell out of them. And once you've done that, this will come off. Now, what I'm gonna do is this crap. I'm gonna grind all of this. This one is all to get painted, and I'm gonna grind as much as I can from this one, and then this one's gonna go through electrolysis. Once I've done electrolysis, I'm gonna put rust converter on top of it, then paint it black, and then put dinitrol. So let's get to it. Okay, so the dust shield is corroded beyond belief. It's already broken here. So I'm not even going to bother fixing this. I'll have a look. Maybe either I'll run without it, which is not ideal, but it's not going to kill me, or I'll just buy a replacement part. So clean this as much as I could. Now let's get ready to I was going to say hydro dip this. It would be funny. To do hydrolysis on this, and then I'm going to remove the other one because I already know that I'm going to have to soak it in WD-40 for all these screws to come out.
A few moments later.
Okay, so while this is cooking, let's take care of the other one. So this is stuck as well, so it's time to break out the Old Faithful. And the Old Faithful is actually rake, which I removed the bottom handle, in which I'm going to shove it here and leverage it out, hopefully opening it up or breaking something in the process. This is why it's always good to have a breaker bar. And you guys are in the way. Okay, one down. A bajillion more to go. Let's take these pins from here. It looks like we're gonna break them. So apparently putting this overnight soaked in WD-40 actually works. Look at that, this is done. Okay, so if you guys notice, I left the pin here, but because it's a soft metal, it will de-thread itself while I'm taking this off. At least that's what the interweb says. Let's give it a go. Okay, actually works. So now the thread's a bit fused here, so what I need to do now is just either grab a little drill and drill it out, or punch it with a screwdriver. That's for later. Now, this one here, which I've already loosened up, loosen it up, loosen it up. And now I'm gonna take, well, you guys can see. Okay, now it's, one second, there you go. This one, and then the other one on the other side, which interestingly enough, they're number 17, and they're pretty straightforward to take. I just had to give it a little nudge. I didn't even use like a breaker bar, this kind of thing. There you go. And this, 1, 2, 3, will remove the upper control arm. It is hard though. Right, it's hammer time. So let's get some better lighting here. So we need now to hammer this out and hammer here, and then once we hammer this up, all of this will come out because it's currently only attached by these two pieces. go. Whew, that was hard. Okay, so now I just need to take the shock off, and that is done from above. And there you go. Now to disassemble this. Alright, so here it is. Now it just needs to dry, and it's gonna start flash rusting already, but it's looking pretty good. Just got little stubborn pieces of rust there that just need to be wiped off. It's like a rust magnet. So what we're gonna do now is apply a few generous coats of rust converter. And when I say generous coats, I mean completely soak it. And then once this converts whatever rust's left, I'll apply primer and then paint and then Dinitrol, and this should be good to go. Okay, second spindle is in the soup, as I like to call it, and the first spindle is just drying from primer, and then I'm gonna get the final color. So yeah, it's all coming into place. I also, you guys won't be able to see because it's dark, I also put a layer of Dinitrol in this area just to keep it cleaner. And alright, just now it's the waiting game. I just need to wait for things to dry.